If you're new to the gym, machines are the easiest and safest way to start. Today, I will show you how to get a good workout in with just a few simple gym machines. Why machines first? When I first joined the gym, I used to walk past the machine area because I didn't want anyone to notice that I don't know what to do. But in fact, the machines are perfect for beginners because it's very stable, guided motion, which means it's hard for you to do it wrong. Third reason, it's easy to adjust. Bonus, most machines, they have a little sticker to show you the target muscle and the basic movement. It's a nice reminder of how to use it. You don't need to be strong or experienced. They are safer than free weights and literally designed to help everyone to get started. A simple 3-part plan. I tell all my beginners the same simple structure: chest, back, and legs. If you cover all of those 3 parts, your workout is already pretty balanced and also it's easy to remember. The 3 easiest machines to start with. Chest press machine. Chest machines may look different. Some of them look like this or like this, but the principle is the same. Seated chest press. Here is how to use it. Step 1, adjust the seat so the handles, they line up with your chest. Not too high, not too low. Step 2, adjust the arms for comfortable range of motion. You don't have to get a super deep stretch like a lot of other fitness channels suggested. As long as your elbows are back, you're all set. Because it's hard to stabilize your shoulders when you're new to strength training, so this is a safer way. Step 3, set the right weight. Always start light and add weight little by little. You want to make sure the weight is slightly challenging but not painful. Step 4, now you can actually do the movement. Keep your chest out, push with your arms. If you want, you can put your hand on your chest to feel the muscle. It's totally normal if you can't feel your chest for the first month or 2 because it took me like a year and a half to finally feel my chest. Even you only feel in your arms, it's okay. By the way, if you're new here and find this helpful, feel free to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss the next beginner's guide. Next part, lat pull down. For your back, you can always start with a lat pull down machine. There will be a billion different kind of attached handles that you can use. A wide grip gonna target your whole lats, while a narrow grip targets more of your upper back between your shoulder blades. They're all good in different kind of ways, but today we will focus on the basics. Here's how to use the machine. Step 1, grab the long bar, attach it, and then set the thigh pad at the right height so when you sit down, your legs stay in place. Step 2, after you set the weight, reach both arms overhead with a 45 to 60 degree angle, grab the bar, and then sit down. Step 3, we'll start with a shrug. Bring your shoulders to your ears, then pull them away, aka drop your shoulder blades. This movement might feel awkward if you have stiff shoulders, but the more you do it, the easier it's gonna get. It's totally fine if it feels a little bit weird at the beginning. You can do a few more reps to help your body remember. Step 4, now let's try the whole movement. Chest out, tuck your elbows in, and drive them to your ribcage. Shrug, drop, pull, hold for 1 second, reset. As soon as the bar is around your chin, you want to pause for 1 second and reset with control. Everyone pulls with their arms at the beginning, so did I. These steps might make lat pull down a little bit more complicated, but based on years of coaching, they really help beginners to finally feel their lats. Legs, leg press. The leg press machine might look like this or like that. There are lying versions and seated versions. But to be honest, the seated leg press machine was the first machine that didn't scare me. I usually recommend the seated version to beginners or whoever has knee injuries because it's a little bit safer, less intimidating, and easier to control. Here is how to set it up. Step 1. Sit down. Reach for the handles. Pull it to adjust how close the seat is. This controls your range of motion. The lower the seat is, the more stretch you're gonna get. Step 2. Place your feet. Slightly point your toes out. And then set the weight. Again, start light. Step 3. Now you can push with your legs. Make sure you keep your feet, especially your heels, on the platform the whole time. And make sure your knees don't cave in or wobble. Try not to lock your knees at the top unless you feel fully in control. And then step 4, slowly reset and repeat. Don't worry about the depth or weight or range of motion first until you feel more comfortable later on. Your beginner mini plan. Here is how to turn these 3 machines into a simple beginner plan. You can start with chest press, 8 to 10 reps, take a minute to a minute and a half break, and repeat chest press again 4 times in total. Then you move on to lat pull down. Same thing, 8 to 10 reps, take a minute to a minute and a half break, repeat that 4 times. And lastly, go to leg press machine. This whole session takes about 20 to 25 minutes. Feel free to walk on treadmill for 20 minutes after this and then call it a day. A lot of my clients tell me the same thing. Can you just give me a workout plan so I can follow it whenever I work out long? So yes, if you want a printable version of this full workout plan with cues and tips, or you just want to save in your phone, I made a free guide that you can download. Check the link down below. Machines are a great way to start strength training without feeling overwhelmed. Once you feel more comfortable, we can slowly add more options. But if you still feel nervous using gym equipment, this video might help you feel a little bit more at ease. Take your time. I'll see you in the next rep.